Hello everyone, my name is Andre and today I have the greatest pleasure and opportunity to share with you and recommend an absolutely amazing mini camera that you can easily install in your household in order to monitor your kids, your pets in one room while you are in another room. Let's say if you are in the kitchen cooking and you're watching what your kids are doing on your phone, because you can easily download an application by scanning a QR code in the instruction manual to download the application and watch the footage from this mini camera on your phone. And it's super easy to bind. Just bind it through a Wi-Fi connection and you're gonna be able just to monitor everything on your phone. And it's super lightweight and small that you can easily install anywhere in any corner of the house in order to do so. And as you can see, the quality, HD quality, super great and fine, that is going to show you every detail of the footage. Take a look at that beauty. And of course, you can easily set it up with a wire in order to be charged always, or it has a battery, a mobile battery that you can easily use in order to install anywhere you want. And of course, super easy. Take a look at that beauty. Super small, super fine, with an absolutely amazing quality in order to record, take photos, or what's happening in your house while your kids are playing. And especially, it's an absolutely amazing small mini security camera to have in your household to feel safer. So if you guys are looking for a mini camera like this one, you should definitely have to consider this one, because it's an absolutely amazing recommendation from me, guys. I bought it in order to monitor what's happening in my house while I'm in the basement or in the garage to monitor my daughter. And it works absolutely great. So once again, an absolutely amazing mini camera for you guys. My name is Andre and I absolutely approve this message. Yeah, take a look at that.